Hello future engineers, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're still new to my channel and you like what I'm doing, please don't forget to share my videos to your friends and to your friends' friends. That's one way you can help me promote my channel, keep me going, inspired and refreshed. Now if you find my videos interesting and important to your studies, also please don't forget to subscribe. Analyze the frame shown by moment distribution method. Determine the moments at the joints and the reactions at A and D. EI is constant. So since there's no load on the member, so in the first phase of the moment distribution method, all moments would be zeros. So let's proceed to the second phase. So the relative stiffness of BA, since A is spin, is to be modified 3/4 of 1/6. So that's the sides way. So 3/4 of 1/6 is to be determined later. So the distribution factor here is -1. Here also is -1. So the relative stiffness of AB or BA is 3/4 of 1/6. So that's 1/8. This is 1/4. And again, this is 3/4 of 1/6, so 1/8. Therefore, the distribution factor here for BA is -1/8 divided by 1/8 plus 1/4, and that is -1/3. So this is -2/3, -2/3, -1/3. Since the sideway displacement is the same for A, B, and CD, so the formula is -6EI delta over L square, but we will assume it is -10 for AB and CD. You can make it -20 if you want, -30 as long as they are equal. So I'll just assume -10. You can make it -100 if you want, but I choose -10 so that the initial moment would be smaller. So let's distribute. -10 times -1 is 10. Then we lock it. Then lock it finally because we expect moment at A to be 0. So -10 times -1/3 is 3.333. So lock. Then -10 times -2/3 is 6.667. So lock. Here also -10 times -1/3 is 3.333. Lock. Times -2/3, -10 times -2/3, 6.667. Then lock. -10 times -1 is 10. Lock. Then lock finally because we expect moment at D to be 0 also. Carry over, so half of 10 is 5. So the final moment at A is 0. 5 there. So there's no need to carry over half of 3.33 here because this is already finalized. Half of 6.667 is 3.334. This is also 3.334. Then half of 10 is 5. Then no more. So we proceed to joint B. Let's distribute 3.334. 3.334 times -2/3 is negative, times -1/3 is -2.778. So lock. 3.334 times -2/3 is -5. Sorry, quantity 5 plus 3.334. There is moment. I'm sorry. So quantity 5 plus 3.334 times -1/3 is -2.778. So lock. quantity 5 plus 3.334 times negative 2/3. So that's why we have negative 5.556 lakh. Then quantity 5 plus 3.334 times negative 1/3 is negative 2.778 lakh. Quantity 5 plus 3.334 times negative 2/3 is negative 5.556 lakh. Then no more. So carry over. So 0 here and no more. So take note this is 0. Half of negative 5.556 is negative 2.778. This is also negative 2.778 and 0 here. So distribute negative 2.778 times negative 2/3 is 1.852 lakh. Negative 2.778 times negative 1/3 is 0.926 lakh. Negative 2.778 times negative 2/3, 1.852 lakh. Times negative 1/3, so 0.926 lakh. Carry over, so 0 here. Half of 1.852 is 0.926. Half of 1.52, 0.926. Then 0 here. 0 also here. 0.926 times negative 2/3 is negative 0.617 lakh. 0.926 times negative 1/3 is negative 0.309 lakh. 0.926 times negative 2/3, negative 0.617 lakh. 0.926 times negative 1/3, negative 0.309 lakh. Then carry over, so 0, 0 here. Half of negative 0.617 is negative 0.308. Negative 0.308 also there. Negative 0.308 times negative 2/3, 0.205 lakh. Times negative 1/3, so 0.103 lakh. Negative 0.308 times negative 2/3, 0.205 lakh. Negative 0.308 times negative 1/3, negative 0.103 lakh. Then carry over, so 0, 0. Half of 0.205 is 0.102, 0.102. 0.102 times negative 2/3, negative 0.068 lakh. 0.102 times negative 1/3, negative 0.304 lakh. 0.102 times negative 2/3, negative 0.068 lakh. Times negative 1/3, negative 0.034 lakh. So 0, 0. Half of negative 0.068, negative 0.034, negative 0.034. Negative 0.034 times negative 2/3, 0.023 lakh. Negative 0.034 times negative 1/3, 0.011 lakh. Same issue here, 0.023 lakh, 0.011 lakh. Then 0, 0, carry over. Half of 0.023 is 0.012, 0.012. 0.012 times negative 2/3, negative 0.008. So that's small already, so we finalize the lacking. Here, 0.012 times negative 1/3, negative 0.004 lakh, then lakh finally. Negative 0.008 lakh, lakh finally. Negative 0.004 lakh, lakh finally. So moment A is 0, adding these moments, moment BA is negative 3.752. Moment BC is positive 3.752 by adding these moments. So this is also 3.752. Adding these moments, negative 3.752. So moment AB is 0. Moment PA is negative 3.752 R. Moment BC is positive 3.752 R. Moment CB is 3.752 R. Moment CD is negative 3.752 R. Then moment D, 0. So we have here the assumed direction of AX and AY, then assumed moment BA, which is clockwise, same is true at D, so that considering the whole system, AX plus DX plus 90 equals 0, where AX, if we consider the free body diagram of column AB, summation moment about B, AX times 6 equals MBA. Therefore, AX is 1/6 of MBA. Similarly, DX times 6 equals MCD, so DX is 1/6 of MCD. So 1/6 of MBA, which is negative 3.752R, plus 1/6 of MCD, which is also negative 3.752R, plus 90 equals 0. So from here, we can solve for R. R is 71.962. So we can now compute the moments. Final moments, MBA is negative 3.752 of 71.962. So MBA equals MCD equals negative 270 kilonewton meter. Then MBC equals MCB equals positive 270 kilonewton meter. For the reactions, so AX equals DX equals negative 270 over 6. Since AX equals DX equals negative, so these assumed directions will be wrong. So AX equals DX equals leftward and equal to 45 kilonewtons leftward. Then for AY and DY, summation moment about D equals 0 considering the whole system. So DY, AY times 4 plus 90 times 6 equals 0. So AY is negative 135. So therefore AY is downward 135 kilonewtons downward. So similarly, summation versus Y, dy is 135 upward. And moment at A equals moment D 0. So that's it for this problem.